Rise and shine, guys. First, I brush my teeth with minty bark. Keeps the forest breath fresh. I'm done brushing my teeth. Time for breakfast. Gotta hunt some humans.
They're fast for meat bags. But I skipped leg day, never.
Look what I caught! Ha ha ha! Breakfast will be ready soon.
Need to digest this a bit before I can go for a swim. Refreshing. Wish you guys could enjoy this beautiful moment with me.
Reheated human hits different tastes better when they're terrified first.
Gotta clean up after dinner, leave no trace, just trauma. Woo. All right, Forest fam, that's it for today. And don't forget to like, scream, and disappear. See you in the shadows.